3 rules for the quality checking in the Absolute Black Granite. Absolute Black Granite is a dark black granite from India. This granite is used to make kitchen countertops, wall cladding tiles, headstone, and flooring. It is very important to buy the right material for the right uses. This granite comes in many varieties. Being a natural stone, every quarry and every pit produces different color and pattern. Sometimes it is very difficult to find out which is the best and which the cheapest. In this article, we will try to find out how one can check the quality of Absolute Black Granite. Checking the grain size. There are 3 types of grain available in black granite. The darkness of material depends on the grain sizes. If you have fine grain, the material will be darker. Fine grain Absolute Black Granite. If you are looking for premium quality Absolute Black Granite, then go with fine grain Absolute Black Granite. This type of granite is generally used for memorials and monument making. The availability of such granite is very low and it is the most expensive and premium black granite. It is quarried in the Kothalwadi area. Medium grain Absolute Black Granite. This is the most popular type of black granite. This black granite is also very dark. The medium grained Absolute Black Granite is used for making kitchen countertops and flooring. The availability of this granite is good. This is quarried in Chamarajanagar and Kanakpura area of Karnataka. This granite is very uniform and takes very good polishing. When you buy black granite of dark shade, generally you get this material. Big grain Absolute Black Granite. Big grain Absolute Black Granite is the cheapest Absolute Black Granite. These are less darker and have big size grains with white, green and brown shades. From a little distance it looks dark, but when you observe it closely you can see the difference. Checking the slab size. The size of a slab is one of the most important factors of quality. The blocks of Absolute Black come in small and big sizes. The big size blocks are expensive and small blocks are cheaper. Big blocks are processed on multi-wire or gang saw machines. The processing of such big machines plays an important role in the quality of granite. Material processed on big machines is more consistent in thickness. You get even thickness on big machine processing. Small blocks are processed on vertical cutters. These are not very big machines and have an effect of vibration due to the light weight of machinery. This vibration affects the thickness of granite. The granite processed on single blade vertical cutters have thickness variation on plus 2 mm. Getting the right thickness is also possible on these cutters, but it affects the overall production. After the invention of multi-blade vertical cutters, this problem is solved, but it also needs extra care while cutting the blocks. Checking the polishing. The polishing on automatic machines is always more consistent and better than polishing on single head machines. Single head machines give very good polishing, but these are human handled, so you may find some areas are less polished and some are more polished. The best polishing can be achieved on automatic machines only. Bend in slabs. Sometimes, while cutting the material, the saw creates bent slabs. These bends can be observed by checking the sides of slabs. You can put the bundle and check the sides of slabs to observe the bend. This bend is very bad for laying the material. It may break during the laying process. If you have any doubt over the cutting, you can put a scale on the back side of material to check the bend. Scratches. Scratches on dark materials are clearly visible. These scratches are happened due to mishandling of slabs or tiles. Tiles can be chipped in loading as well if not handled properly. It is very important to handle the loading properly. Scratches and chipping are very bad. Producers generally take extra care during the loading. If the material is not packed and loaded properly, the results may be disastrous to the clients. These are some simple techniques to check the quality of Absolute Black Granite. You can do the inspection before buying the material. These simple techniques work always, and you can have a good decent material as per your requirements.